Birdie, nigga, fresh since the 80s. Shout out to my cousin on April, nigga. Shout out to Bree B, nigga. She need to be on True Life, nigga. Oh my God. Hey.
You put that one on.
Yeah, nigga. Styles, nigga. Yo, see, I got a bunch of dollars in my motherfucking pocket. Bitch, I go like my nigga Davey Crockett. Spitting my shit, man, you can't handle it. Cause I come with this shit that I'm breaking niggas with. Yes, spit 16 on this motherfucking shit. I go with a dumb and a swagger parent. Yeah, got bars, spinning ill-ass rhymes. I'm way at the top, so you I better climb from the nickel and dime. Spit shit all the time. Gravity ain't shit, you can't find my rhyme. Spit fireballs, hella hot like fire. Smoking hella shit, hella on, getting higher. Yo, I go, it's me, Birdie. Record 276.
Come on, nigga.
I don't give a fuck what it costs. Look at this nigga Rick Ross. Nigga, you go. Bitch, I go. Nigga,
Kill you.
on your head, bitch. So on like the motherfucking light switch. Can't fuck with this, we hood rich. Fuck this.
You dirty bitch. And this
Yo,
is what you need.
what's up,
You
Rick?
ain't on my level. This is what you need. Bitch, please, and move. And
Yo.
let me get up in here and spit my motherfucking hood, cause I'm well in here. Bitch, you ain't on my level. You ain't in my group. You need to get the fuck out of my shit, you fucking Looney Tunes.
Yo.
Yeah, it's BRE on the mic, and I ain't stopping. I ain't going nowhere tonight because we is on and we
Yo.
getting there. And we about to get hot. Cloud nine.
Hold on, motherfucking eye guy. She look like that nigga from Blindside. You know what I'm talking about? That big ass football nigga with the movie. Yo, here I go. Step back, go. Precious, you know. Or should I say Rasmusha? Nah, I ain't gonna fool you.
Camera over here. Let me chew this motherfucking nigga out right here. Let me bust his fucking Big Mac bubble right over here. This nigga ain't shit. He a big fat dirty ass bitch. Nigga talking all that head, but you ain't worth a shit. You nigga motherfucking go somewhere. You nigga go somewhere. You some proactive, my nigga. Yeah, and get on my level. You ain't there. You 5 times there when I'm 5 times down.
Yo. Hold on, Bree.
One more verse.
Why it look like your shirt is shrinking? You so bored, I see what you're thinking. Yo, you know what I said? You got a bald head. You look like Silly from the color purple. When you put on your glasses, you look like Steve Urkel. With the tight ass pants, what the fuck is them? You ain't a girl, nigga, you a shim. Nah.
Get him, Bree. Get him.
Double chin, motherfucking pimple ass bitch, talking at me with all this hypey ass shit, but you a shit bitch with your big titties. Double D, double triple D, your B cup. And bitch, you ain't shit. I can't do it. You still not. I want a verse, nigga. He always
Shout out to
start a
April
verse.
K. Moran, bruh.
Yeah, hey, Prizzo.
Not June,
Well, we
not
about to
July.
get a do-over
This
though.
April, she busting in your eye, nigga. Hey.
This nigga hella big. Let me hear the outro.
West Meter.
West
Meter, cuz.
True life. Here
West
I
Meter.
come.
True life.
Gonna be on True Life.
True
I'm
Life.
out in my. I'm out in my.
Orientation, nigga.
We out this
And we
bitch.
out.